Today we did a 10 days follow-up from the radial approach, which has been done first time in Male. This patient presented with subarachnoid hemorrhage 10 days back. We got the CT angio done, which showed an ACOM aneurysm filling from the right internal carotid artery. Then we planned for DSA, and after the DSA, we could see a pseudolobule arising from the main body of the aneurysm, and it was a ACOM aneurysm pointing towards left side. So we decided to go ahead with the contour 5mm device. Our main aim was to put this device into the true lobule and the marker be within the ACOM, where we can play with the ACOM, because both the ACAs were filling from the right side. Left side there was a ACA filling, but which was less as compared to the right side.
We decided to do the follow-up angiogram with the transradial approach the first time in the Maldives. We can go either snuff box or transradial. In this case, we went transradial. We went up with a 5 French sheath. It's a radial sheath. We took a Siemens 2 catheter all the way up and catheterized the right side of the internal carotid artery. And then we did the follow-up angiogram, showing really a great result with the contour device. This is a safe procedure. Transradial approach it has a lot of advantages. Now the patient can go home really quickly. The patient doesn't have to lay flat. In half an hour, we would deflate the radial band and the patient can go home. So everything went well, and I want to thank the whole team here at ADK Hospital. It was a nice procedure.